Hey, it's Sammy on Friday, August 15th. We took 4 trades today for 129 points. That's $3,225 before 9:45 a.m. Why? Well, it's Friday. Worked really hard this week. We made enough money to kick back and take off by 9:45 a.m. That's the kind of trading day we like, and that's what we do, leveraging this powerful data. Now, it's pretty quiet typically before 8 o'clock in the morning. We did have a little bit of data. You can see we came from VPOC down to the value area low. We probably should have locked in here. I typically like to have anywhere from 30 to 50 points on a trade, so I usually start trailing. But we're coming into a new hour bar. We're actually just going to end up with 10 points on this trade. You can see now we broke through our checkpoint. We just hit that 123 Fibonacci extension from the top side, and that is our deviation 1 low. So 68% of the volume for the day is going to be trapped in that band, above that band. And what we're going to do here is just do a trailing stop. We got red news coming up pretty soon here anyway, so we'll probably lock in before that. We're going to end up with 20 points on this trade. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know we're working on some AI, some really powerful stuff. You can see once the momentum stack supports the leg down, you're going to be going for 45,173 and 45,142. What's really awesome about this was probably an hour prior to red news. Red news did not do anything. So what we did was we knew coming into the open that would be where the market would react. And literally, this market reacted all the way down to the point to 45,142. So we're going to take a look at those trades that we took and explain kind of the data and how everything worked out. Now, I apologize, I did not turn on my video. I can't believe, and really, if you look at this trade, this was a 15-second chart, so there's like 4 bars here in less than a minute. I mean, we came off of VPOC and VWAP. That pink line right there is VWAP. If you look up in my upper right, you can see where I have VPOC. That's a little line that was tested. AI basically was like, hey, you're going to test VWAP and VPOC underneath. The minute you roll over, enter the trade. The data all rolled over instantly, right where you see where I entered up there. We're up 66 points. We hit that 123.6 and that value area low. That's why we trailed down and actually made 51 points on this trade. All right, so this data was so powerful. Look down, you can see we have 6 time frames of momentum, 6 time frames of sentiment, and volatility. So you see how we stalled out right there real quick at value area low, and you can see where we re-entered. Now what we did was we put our take profit right here on the top side of R1. That's also our second deviation band, that yellow line. So now we're containing about 95% of today's volume by price, and we quickly came down, took the second trade here. So this is all part of that original opening trade where we planned to take 107 points, but we trailed. We got 51 out of the first one and 48 out of the second one. So on an original plan of 107 points, we ended up with 99 points in 2 separate trades, all within a couple of short minutes from the open. That's why we're done before 9:45 a.m. So the bottom line is we are using data to read when the fastest, safest, most aggressive trades are running. That's why you see us win day after day. If you're curious how this works, simply smash that button below, get in my calendar. Let's have a quick chat about data and how we can help you.